Hi everyone. All our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. By saying this, let us start your mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss the new topic, that is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Before going to the topic, let us discuss few things. You know that the linear equation in one variable, it comes under the branch of what? Algebra. It comes under the branch of algebra. We know that in the mathematics there are three branches: algebra, arithmetic and geometry. Linear equations are comes under the branch of what? Algebra. Then what is meant by algebra? As we know that the branch of mathematics deals with numbers and letters, we are going to call what? Algebra. The branch of mathematics deals with numbers and letters. It is deals with what? Not only a number, it is deals with numbers and letters. Numbers and letters we are going to call what? Algebra. Algebra. Next, you can observe here numbers and letters. In the algebra, numbers we are going to call what? Constants. What we are going to call? Constant. Numbers are nothing but a constant. Letters we can give any value for those letters. So we can call it the letters as a variables. Their values are changing. So we are going to call those letters values are variables. So numbers means what? Constant. Letters means variable. Constant means does not changes any value. Variables means it changes its value according to the situation. Now, after constant and variable, algebraic expression. We know that algebraic expressions are obtained by doing fundamental operations between algebraic term. Algebraic term nothing but, for example, if you take x, 2y, 3x, these are the terms we are going to call what? Algebraic terms. It may be a only variable, it may be a constant or constant with variable or variable with constant. We are going to call what? Algebraic terms. With this algebraic term, if you write any fundamental operations, it becomes what? Algebraic expression. For example, x plus 3, y minus 2, 3x plus 4. So many examples, we can take it as a what? Algebraic expression. In the same way, after algebraic expression, let us know about what? Equations. Equation is nothing but a two algebraic expressions connected with equal sign. Any two algebraic expression is going to connect with which sign? Equal sign. Those terms we are going to call what? Equations. For example, if you can see x plus 3 is equals to 4. Here it is an one algebraic expression and 4 is another algebraic expression. They both connected with the equal sign. So we can call it as this as an equation. What we are going to call? Equations. The same way, let us go for degree of the expression. Degree of the expression. Then what is meant by degree of the expression? For example, let us consider one expression. You can observe here x square plus 2x plus 3. Here you can observe here the highest power of this expression is here this x contain the power how much? Here there is no power means it having 1. So it is having 1 and this x is containing the power 2. So degree here highest power is what? Highest power is how much? Highest power 2. These 2 is becomes what? Degree of that expression. Degree of that expression. 2 become the what? It is this expression is in second degree. This expression is in which degree? This expression is in second degree. Now based on its degree of the expression, we are going to classify the equations: linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. Linear equations means the degree of the expression containing only 1. The degree of the expression is containing 1. So the such equations we are going to call what? Linear equation. In the quadratic equation, what happens? The degree of the expression becomes what? 2. The degree of the expression, the degree of the equation becomes what? 2. So that equations we are going to call what? Quadratic equation. If the degree is 3, then that equations we are going to call what? Cubic equation. The standard form of linear equation is ax plus b is equals to 0. Quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0. These are the standard equations are very important. You have to keep in the mind and you have to recall it. I hope one more time let us recall. You can see here algebra means we have understood algebra is nothing but the branch of mathematics deals with numbers and letters, constant and variables. Numbers we are going to call what? Constant. Variables means letters. Letters we are going to call what? Variables. Constant, the value of constant never changes at any cost. The value of variables changes according what are the values you are going to give. In the same way, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are obtained by doing what? Fundamental operation with algebraic terms. Between algebraic terms, if you write any fundamental operations, means that is going to become what? Algebraic expression. In the same way, equations. Equations is nothing but a two algebraic expression. Any two algebraic expressions are connected with what sign? Equal sign. Then that we are going to call what? Equations. In the same way, degree of the expression. Degree of the expression is nothing but a highest power of the expression. Highest power of the expressions we are going to call what? Degree of that particular expression. Based on degree, we are going to classify what? Linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear means it having the degree is 1. Quadratic means it having degree 2. Cubic means it having the degree is 3. Next, then what is meant by linear equation in one variable? Linear means you have understood equation. The equation contain only degree is how much? 1. The degree of the equation contain how much? 1. So that equation you are going to call what? Linear equation. For example, if you take x plus 4 is equals to 5. X plus 4 is equals to how much? 5. Here you can observe here it is we can take it as an example for what? Linear equation in one variable. One variable means the equation must contain only one variable. It does not contain any more than one variable. So here you can observe here there is a x, only one variable it has, and the degree of that variable is how much? The exponent of that variable is how much? It having 1. So this equation we are going to call what? Linear equation in one variable. Now in the same way, few more example you can take. You can write it as a y plus 3 is equal to 6 or 2y minus 4 is equals to 9. So many example you can write it as a for what? Linear equation in one variable. I hope you have understood about this concept, children. In the next video, I am going to explain what the next concept of the linear equation in one variable. If you have any doubt, you can ask, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.